Each time Google takes technology to its next level. Google Contact Lens is a smart contact lens project announced by Google on 16 January 2014. It is designed to measure the level of glucose for the person who wears it. It calculates the glucose level from the tears of the person and communicates the information to a mobile phone or a computer. The project is being carried out by Google X, which is an underground project of Google, and is currently being tested using prototypes. The lens consists of a wireless chip and a glucose sensor. A tiny pinhole in the lens allows for tear fluids to seep into the sensor to measure the blood sugar level. The prototypes being tested can generate a reading once per second. Google in collaboration with Udacity has announced a free online course to educate developers about the history of Android and to teach them the fundamentals of Android app development. Udacity offers open online course related to various fields within the tech industry, presented by experienced professionals from some of the industry's leading companies. As part of the new collaboration, Google and Udacity are offering a new course, Developing Android Apps, presented by Google developers, advocates Catherine Kahn, Rito Meir, and Dan Galpin. Developers enrolled in the free course will also gain access to vital guidance from the coaches that are usually only available to paid subscribers. It's Google's new ambitious project to program a new generation of artists. The exhibition is called Digital Revolution, and from July 3rd to September 14th, it will explore the impact of technology on art over the past 40 years. It will feature artists, designers, musicians, architects, and developers to reveal the artistry that's all around us. From the films that we watch to the games that we play, DevArt is a final act. Will showcase 3 large-scale, magical works of art from establishment artists and one that's yet to be announced. Google had projected this new project with its inspiring quote, "Developers and coders are the new creatives." One of the hallmarks of science fiction movies, one way they demonstrate that take place in the future is by using augmented reality interface. Minority Report is the classic trope illustration for this idea, but is scarcely alone. Movies like Iron Man 3 show Tony Stark artfully rotating complex diagrams and creating armor schematics with a few twists of his hands and artful zoom motions. Real-life AR setups have lagged behind substantially, despite the best efforts of Google and others. Now a team from the University of North Carolina, led by Andrew Moimon, and working in collaboration with Nvidia, thinks its solution to some of the more pressing problems with current AR technologies. At present, cost, weight, and battery life have restricted AR devices to small screen with an FOV of perhaps 40 degrees. What Nvidia and the UNC team have created is a pair of glasses that eschew complicated optics for a simpler solution. By placing transparent point light sources cables of projecting light directly into the eye at minimal distance from the pupil, the rays of light that make up the display can be fired directly into the eye. One point light isn't large enough to create a visible field, but a hexagonally tiled group of point lights can be effectively used to create a superimposed virtual image in one of the augmented reality functions. The researchers call this as spin light display. Yeah.